Are you tired of tools? Are you looking for the latest and greatest gadgets that are going to make your driving experience more convenient and enjoyable? Look no further, because in today's video, we're going to be showing you the top car tools and gadgets of 2022 that are going to revolutionize the way that you work on and drive your car. From essential maintenance tools to innovative gadgets, we've got you covered. If you're always looking for new and innovative ways to make your life easier and more efficient, and you love learning about the latest gadgets and technologies, make sure you join our channel, The Tech Source, by subscribing now. We're going to keep you up to date on the latest developments and provide tips, tricks, and tutorials that are going to help you get the most out of your tech. So don't miss out, become a part of this amazing experience, and always stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we're going to be looking at the newest car enhancers and tools that are available in the market this year. From tools for fixing a car to revolutionary gadgets that are going to make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient, we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast looking to upgrade your toolkit, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive in and see what the future of car tools and gadgets has in store. Are you tired of driving around on underinflated tires feeling like you're stuck in quicksand? You ready to say goodbye to the days of guessing if your tire air pressure and hoping for the best? Well, fear not, because we've got a solution: tire inflators and tire pressure monitoring systems. These nifty little gadgets are like magic wands for your tires. With a tire inflator, you can quickly and easily add air to your tires and make sure they're properly inflated and ready to roll. And if you're feeling a little extra fancy, you can even get a tire inflator with the built-in pressure gauge, so you can accurately check and adjust your tire pressure on the go. But if you really want to up your tire game, you need a tire pressure monitoring system. These electronic marvels continuously monitor the pressure in your tires and alert you if it falls outside the recommended range. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for fuel efficiency, tire lifespan, and overall vehicle performance. No more guessing, no more hoping, just pure tire inflating goodness. What's the best tool if your car battery suddenly dies? Are you sick of being stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery, or hate the feeling of helplessness as you wait for a tow truck or a kind stranger to come to your rescue? Well, the best thing for you would probably be jump starters. These little wonders are like superheroes for your car, because with just a few simple steps, you're able to give your battery a boost and be back on the road in no time. The best part is that jump starters can come in all shapes and sizes, meaning you can find one that fits into your needs and your budget. There are compact jump starters that fit in your glove box, perfect for those times when you're running late and don't have time to mess around. And for the more ambitious among us, there are larger jump starters that can jumpstart multiple vehicles in a row. Talk about impressive. So don't let your battery die and ruin your day. Grab yourself a jump starter now so you can take control of your roadside emergencies. You'll be back on the road in no time, and you'll feel like a superhero while you're at it. What about navigation? Are there any particular gadgets that are good to help you? First, if you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these, make sure you leave a like and join the Tech Source by subscribing. Do you want to stop having to rely on that one uncle who knows all the back roads but ends up getting lost on your way to the grocery store? Well, it's time to upgrade to a smart navigation system and say goodbye to those frustrating days of wandering around aimlessly. These amazing devices use a combination of GPS and internet connectivity that's going to give you real-time traffic updates and voice guidance. That way, you can find the quickest route to your destination. No more sitting in traffic, no more taking the long way home. With a smart navigation system, you'll be able to avoid congestion and find the most efficient route every time. But it's not just about getting from point A to point B. Smart navigation systems also come loaded with all sorts of extra goodies, such as points of interest and integration with other smart devices. And if you're the type who likes to plan ahead, some systems even allow you to enter multiple destinations and create custom routes. Talk about organized. So why waste any more time getting lost and frustrated? Maybe you should upgrade to a smart navigation system and start enjoying the convenience and efficiency of modern driving. Is there anything that can help you make calls or send a text while you're on the road? Are you always trying to sneak a quick text while you're stuck in traffic? It may be time to upgrade to a hands-free device so you can put an end to your distracted driving woes. These amazing gadgets let you make calls, send text, and play music without ever taking your hands off the wheel. No more reaching for your phone, no more juggling it between your knees. With a hands-free device, you can keep your hands where they belong and your eyes on the road. If you're the type who likes to stay up to date with the latest technology, you're in luck, because there's all sorts of hands-free devices out there, ranging from simple Bluetooth headsets to advanced systems that can be integrated with your car's audio and navigation systems. Some even offer voice recognition and voice control, so you can operate them completely hands-free and eyes-free. But it's not just about convenience. Hands-free devices can help you stay in compliance with local laws and regulations. Many states have laws prohibiting the use of handheld devices while driving, so a hands-free device can help you avoid those unneeded distracted driving fines and accidents. What tools is best to have when you need to repair your car? Are you fed up with having to go on the road to an expensive car mechanic for every little problem that comes up on your car because you just don't have the right tools to fix it yourself? Well, if that's the case, it may be the time to upgrade your toolkit so you can take control of your car maintenance and repairs. Having the right tools can make a world of difference when it comes to working on your car, from oil filter wrenches and spark plug sockets to wrenches and sockets. Having a well-stocked toolkit can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. And who knows, you might even enjoy working on your car once you have the right tools. But it's not just about the big stuff. Having a set of basic tools like pliers, screwdrivers, and a hammer can also come in handy for those unexpected situations that seem to always pop up.
What is a useful gadget everyone should have in their car? Well, have you ever been in an accident and wished that you had video evidence to back up your side of the story? Ever gone on a road trip and wish you had a way to capture all the amazing sights you saw along the way? Well, it's time to upgrade a dash cam and start documenting your driving adventures. These little cameras are like the ultimate eyewitnesses for your car, mounted to the dashboard or windshield, and they record video while you drive, giving you a record of everything that happens on the road. When you're involved in an accident, witness something interesting, or just want to be able to capture a scenic drive, a dash cam can be an invaluable tool. But it's not just about recording footage. Some dash cams can come with all sorts of fancy features that help you improve your driving experience. GPS tracking can help you keep track of your location and speed, while lane departure warnings and collision avoidance systems can help you stay on the road. And if you're the type who likes to stay connected, some dash cams even offer Wi-Fi connectivity and the ability to live stream your video feed to a phone or tablet. It may be good to upgrade to a dash cam and start recording all of your driving endeavors. Whether you're documenting accidents, recording scenic drives, or just keeping an eye on your surroundings, a dash cam can be an invaluable tool for any driver. What could help you keep your car clean and organized? Well, if you're tired of rummaging through piles of junk every time you need to find your sunglasses or phone charger, and you feel like your car is constantly cluttered and disorganized no matter how much you try to tidy up, it may be time to invest in a car organizer and get your car's chaos under control. Car organizers come in all shapes and sizes, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. From simple trunk organizers to more complex systems that include compartments for everything from cups to bottles and tools and emergency supplies, there's an organizer for everyone. But it's not just about keeping your stuff organized. A car organizer can help you keep your car clean and tidy. No more crumpled up fast food bags or coffee cups rolling around on the floor. With a car organizer, you can keep everything in its designated place, making it easy to find what you need and keeping your car looking fabulous. And if you're the type who likes to stay organized on the go, there are even car organizers coming with built-in USB ports and power outlets so you can charge your devices and stay connected while on the road. Talk about convenient.
Having all the above has the potential to make your life a lot easier and less expensive. So what are the must-have things we've learned from this video? Well, tire inflators and tire pressure monitoring systems can help maintain proper tire pressure, which is important for fuel efficiency, tire lifespan, and overall vehicle performance. Jump starters can give a dead battery a boost and get the car back on the road. Smart navigation systems provide real-time traffic data and voice guidance for the quickest route to a destination. Hands-free devices allow for calls, text, and music to be played without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Car maintenance tools like oil filters, spark plugs, wrenches, and sockets can make it easier to perform routine maintenance and repairs on a vehicle. If you're interested in photography gadgets that you need to use, check out this video. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, join the tech source by subscribing now.